Hi. Hi, I'm Ashvi, a final year student at Design Ecole College, and right now I'm working on my Identity 2025 competition project. And for my project, Demo is my product. This is Demo, a super app concept that could solve India's app fatigue problem. One login, one wallet, everything connected through UPI and ONDC. So let's work on Demo project together. Structured everything in this Google Sheets about our what problem Demo solves, about target audience, segmentation, customer persona, competitor analysis, everything in one document. Structured. So as you guys can see, I've taken a pre-launch user survey from people and I've got about 65 responses. From the response, I've gotten most of the people feeling frustrated from having too many apps in their phone. So this was the response summary which I get from the people about when I asked them what frustrates you the most about ordering apps. It's delivery issues, pricing charges, order and availability, user experience and app functionality, service limitations. As you can see, Demo can sort all of these problems. So after taking this user survey, it was pretty evident to me that people would prefer switching to an application which provides all the services at one application. So I've designed this map with the help of Micro. So this is a prototype for Demo which I've designed through Figma, and now you'd get a OTP. So here's the OTP I've filled. Verify and continue. Then you get this option of choosing the account. So I'm choosing personal account for now. These were the app permissions, and then you get this Instagram feed kind of interface where you can do everything, and also you can make a post like you're using X or Threads. Then you get this messages interface, explore interface, where you can do anything. You can order food, order grocery, you can book a beauty appointment for a parlor, or you can order medicines, you can book a flight, you can book a cab, you can book a bus, red bus. Then you have fashion choices, and then you have home services choices. Also you get this Demo wallet thing where you can connect your UPI or bank account with the Demo, so you don't have to worry about basic things. Now this is a website overview which I've designed with the help of Relume. So with the help of Relume and Figma, this is what I've designed. Now at this point, the majority part of work is completed. I have designed the application with the help of Figma and Relume. I've structured everything with the help of Micro and Notebook LLM. Now major part was, now the next step was making a portfolio where I structure everything up in one document, and that part is also completed. So that was it for Demo, guys. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. So this is it, guys. This was the last day to upload the project for Identity 2025 Hackathon by Design Ecole and Sentry. I've uploaded it, and this was my idea, Demo, one app for everything. And this was our journey where I got to know about so many things, and I got to use so many tools as Figma, as Relume, as Micro, as Power BI, Excel sheet, and everything. It was a very fantastic journey. I got to learn so many things. I got to explore so many parts which I didn't even knew about, and this was a very learning full journey for me. Thank you guys for being with me, and this was it for us. Let's see if I'll be coming up with more ideas like this. So stay tuned, guys.